Hello friends, it's Rick Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. It's mid-June. What you're seeing is the garlic scape. When you see your garlic scapes turning like pigtails, curling, it's time to harvest garlic scapes. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest garlic scapes. You have to harvest the garlic scapes in order to make the garlic to concentrate the energy to grow the bulbs. So this is a good time to harvest the scapes, and then the energy will all go to the growing the bulbs. You will have nice, healthy garlic bulbs. So this is very strong plant. You leave 3 or 4 leaves on the plant and cut the rest off. You leave the leaves is for the leaves to continue produce energy for the bulbs, and this is a nice strong scape. Scapes are byproduct from growing garlic anyhow.
Well, they would flower otherwise and take energy away from the plant.
That's good. So after the quick harvest, we got a fairly good pile of scapes. And when you have the scapes, you peel off the leaves. The leaves, if it's tender enough, you can eat them. You can put them in the stir fry. And quite often they tend to be very fibrous. That's up to you if you want to eat it or not. So you peel off the leaves, and you can see the tender part of the scape is really nice. Even the leaves, some part is very tender. And this is the part for flowers. You don't eat that part. You can just break it off.
Yeah.
And that is a nice, long, healthy, yummy scape. After stripping off the leaves, this is how much garlic scapes I harvested. I also keep some young leaves, young tender leaves for later use. After giving the scapes a good wash, you can cut them into about 1 inch, a little bit shorter length, and you can use them for stir fries, or you can put them in a salad. My preference is to make stir fries. That's what I'm going to make today. This is only half of what I harvested today. So I'm going to stir fry the garlic scapes with a little bit sausage, a little bit tofu, and 2 eggs. So the wok is warm. Add some olive oil. It's really warming up. And then give the egg a good beat. And just putting everything together. Add a little bit of water to the garlic scapes. The color start to change.
So it gets lighter?
Darker.
Darker.
Yeah. When it's cooked, the color turns a little bit darker. And then you just add a little bit salt, a little bit of soy sauce, just to give it a little taste. This is dark soy sauce too. It makes it very dark.
This is a good combination of different textures.
Oh yeah.
The tender garlic scapes and the tofu has a texture of its own, and the sausage again, and then they blend in and they exchange flavors.
Oh yeah. Well, you can use garlic scape to stir fry anything: meat, eggs, tofu, sausages, shrimps, anything. You can make it a vegetarian dish just by stir fry it with tofu, or other products, or you can just do anything. My preference is to make stir fries. It doesn't matter what other things you put in, it's just very good.
And it's not strong like regular garlic. This is like mild because it's the Scape.
Nice. Yeah. I just give it a few minutes to cook till the water dries up.
And we can have it for breakfast. Yum, yum.
Now it's I just add back in the eggs. And I'm doing a couple of
goji berries.
spoon of goji berries from our garden as well.
That's a really nice color combination.
Just use the leftover heat to give it a good mix.
It's a very nice mixture of colors.
Yeah.
Red from the goji, yellow from the egg, green from the garlic scape, and the shades of different colors with the tofu and the sausage.
Yeah. Until next time, keep gardening and enjoy the good food.